This is all women engineering college established in 1991. It is first of its kind, all women engineering college established in India. Since 91, more than 10,000 students they are graduated in this college, and we do offer engineering undergrad level, graduate level and PhD programs. Cummins College has subscribed its annual subscription through which we get access for all toolboxes. These access is available on machines which are their network in a campus of college, as well as the students they get their license copy on their computers so they can work from home. Not only the students, the faculty members for their research they use MATLAB because it's quite user friendly and they can do various experimentation using the MATLAB facility.
The usage of MATLAB in Electronics and Telecommunication department is very extensive. MATLAB has been found very user friendly and it helps students to grasp the concepts by working on plotting commands, analyzing the things and implementing the algorithms. In fact, it has made the teaching learning process very effective. The students are able to interpret the concepts with more clarity. MATLAB has been used at second year level, third year level, final year level. In fact, it is occupying core courses, program elective courses as well as multidisciplinary courses.
Area of my work mainly is into signal processing, image processing, machine learning and deep learning. And MATLAB has been a companion in this journey of teaching of more than 24 years. The toolboxes that I have made used from time to time in the signal processing domain, they are the signal processing toolbox, image acquisition toolbox, deep learning toolbox, optimization toolbox. Taking a simple example of convolution as one of the very important yet the complex topic, the MATLAB really has helped in visualizing the way the mathematical phenomena, the process under the convolution, to visualize it to the students. So MATLAB further we have incorporated also in the curriculum of one of the advanced topic, the course, and that is the deep learning. To explore the further developments or going into the deeper understanding of these deep learning based deployments, the design tech systems officials, their engineers, they help us in running the short courses, the training courses, and this is where MATLAB again is playing a big role in giving the hands-on exposure to the students regarding these advanced technology as well. I have also worked on one of the Indian Space Research Organization sponsored research project, into which the satellite imagery was involved, and MATLAB has particularly given me a way out to visualize those satellite imageries and also looking into the breadth and depth of those imageries. Not only that, again the image annotation is been made use into that particular work, followed by which the data analysis really becomes very simple, or I would say much more convenient from the analysis perspective.
I have been using MATLAB since last 7 to 8 years. I have used MATLAB for teaching digital image processing, and also I used MATLAB for my research work. My work is in the area of image processing and deep architectures. So MATLAB provides many pre-trained architectures. I utilize them. Also I utilize different apps from the MATLAB, where I designed or customized my deep architecture. I analyze them and I put my results for the international publications. So MATLAB helps me to customize the deep architectures. I can pick and drop the block boxes easily. So it become easy for me to design the architecture.
In this lab, I am conducting lab related to robotics and autonomous robot. So here in robotics lab, we are executing various algorithms of the robot like kinematics, that is inverse and forward kinematics, dynamics and trajectory and path planning of the robots. So we take the help of the MATLAB and its toolbox such as MATLAB robotics toolbox, robotics simulation toolbox and navigation toolbox for the autonomous robot.
I use MATLAB for my research work. I did research in speech enhancement domain where I use evolutionary algorithms for enhancing the speech. At that time, I felt MATLAB to be very comfortable because MATLAB gives very standard functions which can be used in the research work. Also to check the output of the system, it was very effective in testing the effect of parameter variation. So MATLAB can be considered as a very powerful tool in research domain as well as for students.
MATLAB have played a very important role during my PG and PhD. Since last more than 10 years I am using MATLAB. I have used different toolboxes in MATLAB like computer vision toolbox, then I have used control system toolbox. In computer vision during my PG I have used MATLAB for functions, different inbuilt functions like Haar wavelets, kernel density estimation, Gaussian mixture model. So thanks a lot MATLAB.
I am really very happy to share that we have always received a lot of support from Design Tech and MathWorks. Our students learn a lot through the implementation done through the MATLAB, and we are very happy with the support which is provided by the Design Tech and MathWorks.
So this is our DSP code which we have created or generated using MATLAB. So this project is about DNA analysis. So now here as we can see that there are two outputs that we have obtained, and the above one is normal, and whereas the given sequence is abnormal as the graph shows.
We designed a software musical instrument tuner which will take input from the user and compare it with standard inputs, and then it will give you the output whether you have to tighten the string or loosen the string, and it can be modified for any number of strings for any instrument. So we've used MATLAB to implement this, and we've used a lot of predefined functions like the object recording function, and we've also used a filter which is the Butterworth filter. So these two are the major MATLAB features that we've used.
This is a MATLAB model in which we are using Simulink Windows, where it is an AI application digit prediction model which we have implemented on a hardware interface which is a Raspberry model, and we have interfaced it with LAN cable, mouse and keyboard, and we have also used a camera for its input, where we will be showing handwritten digits and the model will classify it. For example, we have written a digit 1 which we will now show it to the camera as an input. So we can see here that the predicted digit is 1 with an accuracy of 0.91, and 0.93 it keeps on changing.
So here we have performed the real-time object identification on Resonate 50 using the Raspberry Pi hardware, and on MATLAB we have written the code which has been deployed to the Raspberry Pi hardware. We have also connected the camera, and if we detect on any object in its surrounding, for example this keyboard, it will be identified there.
In some cases, we get stuck and then we approach the MATLAB and Design Tech for the support. I am very happy to share that the Design Tech and MATLAB, they provide their timely support. They do conduct workshops or sometimes one-on-one sessions which are very helpful to resolve our queries. Because of this, every year we see that the college subscribes the MATLAB toolboxes and the Design Tech that becomes the partner for this our collaboration. We are happy to share that Cummins College is MATLAB Credential Institute, and in the journey of Cummins College and its repute for producing the graduates which are industry ready, I think there is a contribution coming from MATLAB and Design Tech also.